Now we return you to our regular scheduled program in progress.
Alright, so kind of a special day today. I'm going to, with one of my buddies and admins of Aiken Car Meets, Paul. He's backing out my driveway, which is super scary in this car. Kind of give you an idea of what car we're in. So we're in a Noble M400. Gotta go pick up parts for his race car. So I'm gonna take y'all along for this. Kind of give y'all a look around in a supercar here. Oh, I love the interior. Well, I'll get back with you when we get there. We just got here, riding down from Aiken. We're down in Augusta now. There's Paul's car. We're outside of Test Masters. So he's getting his injectors cleaned, gone through and tested for his race car, the Talon race car. Let's go in here. I've already got permission to go in here and film this, so see what he's doing.
We got it sorted out.
Yeah, exactly.
Go home and slap them in and start it up.
How much are those things a piece, you think?
For the injectors?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
No?
I got them used. I bought them used and brought them to you guys to get cleaned the first time anyway.
Oh, there you go.
So I don't remember. I don't know how much they are brand new. I thought I was trying to find another set though, and just keeping a clean set. That's a spare.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah, they cleaned up good after soaked it in, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. Like I said, those two in there for 2 hours. I couldn't get them to work at all. I was tapping on them, trying to get the plunger loosened in it, and after about 2 hours or so,
What do y'all do here at Test Master?
Mostly fuel injection repair, turbos.
Okay. So I'm with Aiken Car Meets, the car page up in Aiken for the community. And he's one of our admins, Paul is.
Oh, okay.
So he came down here to get some work done. I was like, I asked him, I said, mind if I vlog it? He said no.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's some gas fuel injection. Gas injectors.
Yep.
But yeah, they're not supposed to have.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. We have a machine that we flow them on. You go ahead. And flow them and do ultrasonic clean.
Yeah, exactly. You can actually hear it click. Yeah, which I'm sure you heard what 3 and 4.
I didn't try 3 and 4. I had them back there so I could see.
Okay.
But it was running on 2 cylinders.
I got a bunch of machines back there to do all your testing needs for your injectors and get everything flowing like it's supposed to.
That's correct, yeah.
And then I verified
Most of the test stands back there for diesel fuel injection pumps.
Okay.
We have a few for high pressure common rail injectors as well.
I got you.
You can't see it, but it's on either end, Bosch machine.
Y'all got a lot of stuff around here. I don't even know what it is. It looks like oil pumps. Some of them.
Well, it's fuel injection pumps, most of this, and then of course some turbos here. Fuel injection pump, that's a John Deere there.
See which one.
What size turbo is that one down there?
That's off a tank.
It's off of a tank?
Yeah, AV71 Detroit in a tank. Twin, there's 2 of them, twin
Hey, Paul,
turbos.
there's your turbo, the next turbo for the Talon right there. Right, the first one.
A little whole set?
He's talking about the tank turbos, I believe.
The tank turbo? You want the whole
Actually,
set?
I didn't even see the tank one yet.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the gray one.
That whole set's what, like a 108?
There you go.
What do you think that is?
I'm not sure what this one is. I would imagine it's at least in the 3 digits for
Yeah,
sure.
it's got to be a 108. Thereabouts.
That's crazy.
That's off of Cummins.
Yeah.
That's just crazy how big those turbos are.
Yeah.
And
I've got it.
And the motor, these two go on, both of these.
He just gave me the nylon bushing for my supercharger. That's for a build way down the road. So probably end up seeing about getting a few of these made. I have a few friends that are machinists and whatnot, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, super nice guys down here. I wish I could, show you all exactly what they do back there, but it's probably against safety regulations and whatnot. So everything looks high quality here. Everything looks like they know what the heck they're doing, and they've got a lot of interesting stuff. I'm just looking around and just a bunch of fuel filters and just everything. So, you know,
Wow.
y'all need to come down here and give it a check. They got turbos. They got all your flow benches and everything for your injectors.
The guy in Europe that taught me my starter, he's the guy that built that stuff.
Looks like I'm gonna have to bring some of my stuff down here eventually
Hey man.
when I get to that point. So we just got back from Paul's adventure down to Augusta to get his injectors. Paul's already took off to go play with his injectors and put them in the motor like a little kid over here. He's getting everything sorted out for the beast here. So he found that he was having an issue with the E85 staying in the injectors and ended up clogging them up.
Yep.
Pretty much just clogging them up. So he had to go and get them cleaned and flow tested at the shop that we were just at. That I think they do all of your injector work.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
They've done all my injectors. Several sets at this point. They do
So,
good work.
I didn't look at the price. I didn't ask about price or nothing like that. That's none of my business. But it wouldn't be if it wasn't reasonable. I don't think he would use them. So I got the RB26 injectors. I'm pretty sure are gonna have to be, cleaned and everything. No telling what's sat in those. Coming from Japan and everything else. It turned out pretty dang good, man, from the paint and everything.
Yeah, not too bad for an outdoor paint job. Could have been much worse.
Fun fact, I'm like a perfectionist with paint and body. So when Paul asked me to help him out with this project, I'm over here trying to like nitpick and massage and make a show car out of a race car. And he's like, hey, look, it's only got to look good for 20 foot away. If I'm passing them, that's all they need to know. But yeah, like I said, I think it turned out really good. The sun's coming out making that color pop though. Look at the flake in it. That's awesome. Tried to get some in-car footage of when Paul was taking it to go give it a little shakedown on the transmission and everything. He just swapped into the car. Apparently, when I ran into the Noble, as you heard in the video, I put the controller in my pocket, and apparently it hit stop. So sorry about that, y'all didn't get to see that. There'll be other times that I can send y'all with him to go around the track or whatever. I plan on helping him this year, any of the events he goes to. As long as he's got room, I'll be there. So we're gonna call it here for today. My wife's on the way to come pick me up and give y'all a quick little tour around the car. All I say is, you plan on taking this on the road, you better have those hand signals ready.
Oh yeah.
Because otherwise, Agent Fine's gonna love you. They'll pull you over and they'll find out who you are, and they'll be like, "Oh, never mind. Hey, Mr. Paul."
We got them all flowing now, though. Oh, hold on. Oops. There it is. I can have the wire hooked up good. Come on, get in there. There she is. 7,200 RPMs. Flowing all the fuel. Also the one that's giving me a little leaky trouble. She's at about 72 for about 75. All the other ones are about 80, 82. So she's a little on the low side on this one, but like I said, I bet you she just needs a good little bit more cleaning. This one was, I think, number 1. And it's firing good. But the thing is that when I shut the electric off and leave just 35 pounds, she drips. Now it was a lot worse than that. It was like drip. So, heck, I've ran this thing for probably about 3 hours trying to get this one to stop leaking. It's getting a little bit better. I'm gonna try a little bit longer and see. It might just take running it on the engine and getting it nice and hot to fix that. Alright, I think I got it. We're sitting at about 50 pounds of fuel. Cut it off. Look at that. No drip. Heck yeah, man.